Hi, Michelle here with StrawBearie.com, and today I have the May Paletteful Pack that I'm going to open with you, and then I'm going to look and see what it is, and I'm going to create something for you. If you're new to this series on my channel, I am a crafter. I'm not an artist, and these are usually art supplies. So, join me as I try to see what I can create, but realize that I'm not the expert here. I've already broken the seal, so let's open it up. We have green today. Okay, so first thing out is a sticker. And then we have, this looks like a palette for putting your paints in. And we have some Strathmore Vision watercolor paper. So this is a 6" by 9" pad, and there's 30 sheets. They're 140 pounds of watercolor paper. And we have some tubes of watercolor. So, trying to see, Opera, I guess is the name. There's a pink and a blue and a yellow. And we have a paintbrush. We've got a round tip on it. It's a Robert Simmons, pretty big, round, okay? And, okay, that's what we got. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do with these supplies, and I will get back to you. I just found another brush on my desk. It's a very small round brush that must have fallen out when I grabbed all the confetti stuff, whatever that is. I have taped down my paper to a board, and I have my brushes out. I've put the 3 colors of paint on my palette, and I have 2 things of water, one for cleaning and one for having clean water. And I think I'm gonna start by wetting my paper. Alrighty, now I'm going to get a little bit of the pink. Gonna get a little bit of the yellow. And I'm gonna overlap the 2. Okay, so we're getting some granulation where I'm overlapping. Get a little bit more yellow. I think I got a lot more yellow. Oops. Let's get a little bit more of the pink. Go over the yellow part a bit more. Okay, now let's go ahead and get some of the blue. And I think that's going to make a great background for something. So I'm going to just let that air dry. All right, it is completely dry. So I'm going to take the tape off. Oh my goodness, I just kind of messed up that edge. I really like how this bottom part is nice and pastel, and I like this top part that almost looks like the grass in a sunset. So I am going to turn this into 2 different pieces. My battery just died, but basically what I did is I cut this in half. So I now have 2 panels. I like the way that this kind of looks like a sunset, and I love the pastel colors of this one. I'm gonna stick this into my stamping tool here. Have these butterfly stamps. from Simon Says Stamp, and I think I'm just gonna play with a few of these. I'm just gonna get some black ink. So this is Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm gonna ink up my butterflies and smoosh them down. And I think I'll do that one more time just to make sure that they're nice and dark. Like that. Stamp. It is from Cracker Box and Susie Stamps. And I'm gonna put it almost off to the side, I think. So I like the fact that since this is like a sunset, it's gonna be like a silhouette. Make sure I get that really dark and black. Now I just have a couple of card bases, and I'm going to adhere my panels onto my card bases. I cut them just a 1/4 inch smaller than my card bases, which are half a sheet of paper, so 5.5 by 4 1/4. Or I guess 1/4 of a paper when they're folded. It's a half of the paper when you make the card base. And I need some sentiments, and then we'll have 2 cute little cards. Okay, so I have these Small Talk Smarky sentiments from Tim Holtz, and I just grabbed them because I thought it would be just quick and easy. So this one says, when in doubt, vacation. And I'm just gonna stick this right here on the edge. And I'm gonna call that one done, I think. And then for this one, now this one's funny. It says, it's a beautiful day to leave me alone. Right there we have, it's a beautiful day to leave me alone. I'm going to take some liquid pearls and just put some dots trailing off. And I think I'm just gonna call that good. I hope that you liked the cards that I made with the watercolors in the Paletteful Pack subscription box for May, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you so much. Toodles!